out your scarf and lace up your boots. Pack up the car.
Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to the vlog. So this is just a, a normal vlog. Obviously here in the city. It's December now, as you can see from my hat. You probably won't see this as often, but I like wearing this hat. So as you can see from the title of the video, this is why you shouldn't have a husky. So as some of you may know, I do have a couple huskies. This is one of them. Her name's Rocky. We named her Rocky after the Rocky Mountains, but as I just I'm about to show you, it's expensive to have a husky. They're a lot of work, a lot of hair, especially the hair, and definitely a lot of energy. They have a lot of energy. So there's a lot of things where I can tell you not to get a husky, but this is what my husky did. So let me just get to the point. What's up guys, Future Juan here. So I realized I lost some of the footage I was trying to show, but basically what I was trying to show you guys in this footage was this is my driver's side door, as you can see. And if you can see the scratches here, this is pretty much some of the damage she's done, which, speaking of which, here she is. And also, this is pretty significant. I'm basically showing you guys before I redo, the whole car again, the damages she's done. Also, my cup holders, which is where she's sitting at, right under her, the cup holders kind of fell through, so they're like kind of falling off. That's another thing. It's gonna be really expensive to get all this fixed, but I mean, I'm gonna have to get it redone. And yeah, let's go back to the original footage. So aside from that door, stay. This door's done, as you can see. Let's see on this side. This door isn't as bad, but it still has damage, so I'm still gonna redo it. There's an idiot. I mean, you guys have seen my car a few times, but if you see on the door, I don't think you can see it with the camera, but my door is actually scratched up, so I'm actually gonna redo the paint too. But yeah, I mean, don't get a husky unless you're actually gonna have like protection, like cover up the seats. And you guys might ask that, why do you cover up the seats? I've bought a lot of seat covers and either they poop on it, this guy throws it away, or I just buy a few and they just destroy them. We go through a lot, and I'm gonna get all of my car redone inside to kind of repair all this. But yeah, this is what my husky did to my car. So we were just at, Wall of the Marts, and I got this because I realized how these dogs illustrate our dogs. So this is a dog that my brother just got his wife, Abby. This is Rocky. Can you focus it? This is Lady, which we have Pomeranian. I don't know if you guys have seen her, but I'll show you. And this is Princess. I thought it was funny, I guess that was Walmart's way of being like, buy this, and it worked. So we're gonna give Princess one of her Christmas presents. There you go. Here, take it. Take it. Take it.
Are you waiting for the family to arrive?
Oh, baby. There you go.
The room to spare inside.
Here, Lady.
Does your granny always tell you the old songs
Here, Lady.
are the best? Then she's up and rock and rolling with the rest. So
Lady.
here it is, Merry Christmas.
This is for baby. I accidentally broke it. Here you go, baby. There's a mama. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. What is on you? Baby. Don't bite anybody. Don't bite your babies. Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. They took her bone. You wanted to be a mama. They don't even let you eat the bone. So I don't think you can tell, but this bone a little bit bigger. Just since we're buddy, it's one of our other dogs. Tim is a beautiful dog. Hey, buddy. Look what I got for you, buddy. Look. I'll take it, put it in your mouth. See what he does with it. Here you go, buddy. Grab it from the middle. Whoa, you can grab it. Whoa. We do tie him up. He's an outdoor dog, but we do let him loose a lot. He's not like tied up all the time regardless. Oh, ran my jingle bells. So I lost my focus. He's an outside dog. We don't keep him tied up all the time, regardless of what people say. Like every time it's really cold, we have to bring him inside. But any other time, we bring him inside just for fun here and there. But we love him, obviously. He gets the bigger bone. Alright, buddy. You get the bigger bone. Now enjoy. So funny, he doesn't even know what to do with it. He's just walking in circles with it like, this is too big, like I don't even know what to do with it. That's funny. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what's up guys? Merry Christmas. So you guys will obviously see this tomorrow on the 26th of December. But yeah, today's December 25th. I hope everyone had a great and amazing Christmas. And for those who don't celebrate, happy whatever you celebrate. I don't even know what to say to that. Juliet's already enjoying some of her Christmas presents. She hasn't gotten mine yet. She was with her mom yesterday all day. So she's with me today. And I did get her a lot of presents, but I'm not gonna like show any of that off. I'm just gonna show you some fun clips of tonight because I mean our party hasn't even started yet. Yeah, honestly, yesterday we usually celebrate on the 24th. I was just very tired. I mean, I don't even have much time for anything. I was just spending time buying presents for them. Just gonna enjoy ourselves and use this day off and take advantage of this time, spend time with the family and have a good time. So let's see what happens today. So my oldest sister got me some Zelda socks. I just kind of, I'm kind of proud of my Zelda socks. So
she's sitting like a human again.
So like I said before, I'm not gonna like show off all the presents and all that because.
And I got a haircut.
Yeah, she did get a haircut. So I did get the kids like a lot more presents because
he always spends his money. He cannot spend his money.
Kid, mind your own business. I can spend my money however I want. You don't want me to buy you presents anymore then?
Yeah, but you cannot spend all your money.
Obviously, like when I was a kid, I always used to want very good Christmases, but it wasn't always great because we were very poor, so I always try to make these Christmases memorable because the more memorable ones are the ones where they get a lot of gifts. So maybe I'll show you guys hints of it, but let's go ahead and get today started. You hear that, princess? Hi, princess. You hear that? One thing I do want to point out is, just the weather. The weather today. It's 71 degrees right now. It's like California Christmas. I mean, I love the cold and it gives me that Christmas vibe, but I mean, we can't complain about this. It's really nice today. Abby! Hey, Abby! Caja esa de vuelta. Gracias, here, got a little CTO. You like your egg?
Oh, my hand.
Where's your egg? You opened it already?
I can't get it out.
It's not Christmas without Jingle All the Way. My uncle's gonna play with the PTO.
A puppy.
Who decided to join us? Nah. Okay, I want to show you guys my gingerbread house.
Looks horrible.
It's harder than it looks.
Te pones la chamarra, Julietita, aquí está.
What's that?
A gingerbread man.
¿Cuántos son?
She made one too, but I just helped her.
Yeah, so you think I'd get better the more I did it, but I'm not very good, as you can see. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I know it's probably not a very long video as I usually film, but I hope you guys enjoyed and watched to the end, and make sure you give it a like, and like I said, subscribe if you want to see more. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope everyone had a great holiday, and I'll see you guys in 2020. So hopefully we can start 2020 video with a bang. So we will see what happens. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
The weather outside is frightful, but the fire